Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making coconut shrimp. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need shrimp, eggs, sweetened coconut flakes, panko breadcrumbs, flour, seasonal, salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. You're going to get started by seasoning your shrimp to taste with salt and white pepper. At the last minute, we decided to butterfly our shrimp. This step is optional. In a bowl, add 1 cup of coconut flakes and 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Mix well. In another bowl, add a half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of water, 2 eggs, and approximately a half tablespoon of salt, white pepper, garlic powder, and seasonal. Mix well. Now it's time to coat the shrimp. Coat the shrimp with the wet batter and then a dry batter. Allow the shrimp to rest on a baking sheet for 3 minutes. Once you are done coating the shrimp, fry the shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Lastly, plate your shrimp and serve with your favorite sauce. And there you have it, coconut shrimp. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.